What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Guts Trails and Gears. In this video we're gonna be doing some tube doors. Hopefully we got us a new bender, portable bender coming in. We got us some new latches. Let's see if we can get to work and make something out of this. First thing you're gonna want to do, these hinges right here. Once you get your doors off, go ahead and cut the bottom side off. And now about to make a bend. Little thing before you start, get 2 of these dial indicators. Make sure they're both zeroed out. I mean, obviously you can tell it took some shimming to get where we needed. So we're gonna bend these out, try to fit them up. These are going to be our uprights. We have some pieces of angle iron here. We're just going to cup around that. Maybe give us a little bit more to weld to. And then these are going to mount to a hinge. So we have a little bit more beef there. Then we'll have our 90 around the bottom. That's going to bring up, and that's what our latch is going to hook to right there. We're going to have one more 65-degree bend. Comes through here. One more brace. We're gonna get all this cleaned up, tack it up.
Shop. What are we doing?
We're finishing up these tube doors here. We have our latches, and we have a couple of pieces of angle iron that we're going to put right onto here. We have our latch mount up. We'll figure out where that goes here in a second. We got this for our bump stop. We'll mount that, run our bump stop through it. We got to put the door back on. A little bit more cutting and welding. We got our holes drilled for our latches here, and we got the little notch cut out for the pin to go through. We're going to take one of these chainsaw files, put in one of these handles and clean some of the edges up, hold the door up and tack it into place. So we rehung the door on here. We have our latch system all bolted in. We're gonna stick it right on there. We will shut our door until it's even. And this weld right in here, we will get a good tack, and then we'll take it all off and burn it in. And everything should be lined up. As you can see, we got us a little kicker plate here, just so we can mount our bump stop, and then it'll be fully adjustable. We're gonna pop a little hole in here, weld the back side, then we'll have an adjustable bump stop. So with this bump stop in, we have a nut on the inside, and we have a nut on the outside. We're gonna tack the one on the inside, then we'll have a jam nut on the outside that makes it fully adjustable. We have our latch, our bump stop with fully adjustable. We got a jam nut. It's homemade if you can't see. It's a Phillips bolt. We got our Southco latches, a couple of angle iron, some tubing. Best homemade tube door. All right, now I know some of y'all are wondering. This is open, I know. We have some caps. We're gonna put this on there. Weld that up, make it all pretty. All right, now we got it all welded up, ground off. Not too bad. Now that we got this one all finished up on top, it's time to take this other one to the passenger side, get it welded in.
you doing?
We finished it. Final coat.
Yay!
So with tube doors all finished up, as you can see, we did a little bit more. We put a little protector here. Got our bump stop. Everything's real good. Nice and snug. It's 4th of July. We're gonna go climb one of these tall little mountains here, see if we can't watch the fireworks. Waiting for everybody else to get here. As soon as they do, we're Give us the lowdown, June. How bad is it? Not real bad?